may sound cliche, but what Synergeia does is actually touch lives. The Synergeia culture of sincerity and of paying attention to the woes and ideas of local communities towards education may be one of the keys to our success in transforming communities. The Synergeia touch simply open hearts and minds among the local people. I'd like to think that the things that Synergeia does for communities and education is a ripple effect. That from the point when we make contact with the community, the initial impact spreads and creates a bigger and wider impact on their communities. Therefore, reaching our goals in education becomes faster and easier because there are just more of us working together. It is wonderful to see for myself that the ripples do not stop over the years. The impact on the children and the community as a whole is continuously felt. I would always see a mayor who is enthusiastic about Synergeia programs. He actually joins Synergeia activities and listens intently. Some even take down notes. He applies what he learns from the Synergeia programs with the programs that he runs himself. He leads by creating more leaders. He acknowledges that the success is everyone's, not just his. That is a Synergeia mayor. From there, everything else follows. The local school board becomes strengthened, the school governing councils become functional and empowered, school heads now align their programs with the local government, barangay leaders now understand that they are crucial in school programs, and the stakeholders learn how to use metrics to their own advantage. These are just a few of the benefits that I have seen in the many years of working at Synergeia. Totoo at buo ang hangarin para sa lahat na may gustong tuparin. Sa Synergeia, isang puso, isang pamilya.